empirical, we have inferential, we have subjective, we have objective, and we have anecdotal. And the way they go about evidence is a sort of circular.
Mirrored projection, some sort of mirrored manifestation of projection, or some sort of imagination of some degree. Then you have the
on an infinitesimal level. Now, when we get into areas like animism,
imagination of some degree. Then you have the
on an infinitesimal level. Now, when we get into areas like animism, right, which sort of implements, but I didn't have, right, I mean, down, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective, like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary.